Hello guys, I am Cheriyan. Today we are going to do the parametric differentiation of parametric functions. Parametric function differentiation of second derivative of parametric functions. We did that before, but we are going to do little more problems from second derivative. X is equal to sin t, y is equal to cos t. Find second derivative, that is d square y by dx square. Okay, so this one is a function of x and t. This is y and t. Okay, function of y and t. So how can you differentiate this one? Dx by dt. Dx by dt equals, what is the derivative of sin t? Cos t. Here, this one finished. Derivative of t is 1. You don't need to write that. Here, dy by dt equals minus cos sin t. Okay, derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Okay, then dy by dx, this is the formula. Dy by dx, we are going to find out dy by dx first. Okay, so dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, dt cancel, dy by dx, you get dy by dx. That is what is dy by dt? Minus sin t divided by cos t. That is tan minus tan t. Okay, that is the first derivative. Second derivative, d square y by dx square equals, see, that is d, this is the formula, d by dx of dy by dx, that is the formula. Okay, first differentiate the first derivative with respect to x, but the first derivative is in terms of t, so you cannot differentiate with respect to x. So how can you do that? Then you need to differentiate the first derivative with respect to t. You can differentiate with respect to t because tan t is a function of t. So the formula is, this is not right, right? So you need to change that formula to dt. See, dt cancel. Before it was d by dx divided by dx. Okay, right now the formula is right. So what is d by dt of dy by dx? That is the derivative of minus tan t. Minus is there, derivative of tan t is c square t times, what is the derivative of, what is dt by dx? dt by dx, dx by dt is cos t. dt by dx, when you change the numerator and denominator, you need to change the numerator and denominator here also. Okay, that is 1 by cos t. 1 by cos t is sec t. Okay, minus sec square t times 1 by cos t is sec t, so minus sec cube t. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, okay, second problem. X is equal to 3t square plus 1. Y is equal to tq minus 2t square. Okay, dx, find this dx by dt. Dx by dt equals 3t square, derivative of 3t square, 3 into 2. What is 3 into 2? 6. T square, t raised to 2 minus 1. T raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. Plus derivative of 1 is 0. Then here dy by dt equals, what is the derivative of 3? Derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. This is the formula we are using now. Okay. Derivative of t cube is 3t square minus 2 constant into derivative of t square is 2t raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 into 2, there is already a 2 there. So 2 into 2, 4, t raised to 1. So that is dy by dt. What is dy by dx? dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, what is dy by dt? 3t square minus 4t divided by, this one is 60. Okay, so you can take out one t outside, t into 3t minus 4 divided by 6t. Okay, t cancel. So this is the answer. 1 by 6 into 3t minus 4. Okay. So find the second derivative. D square y by dx square equals d by dx of dy by dx. Okay. Here dy by dx is in terms of t. So you cannot differentiate with respect to x. How can you differentiate? First differentiate with respect to t, then times dt by dx. Okay. With respect to t, differentiate this function with respect to t. 1 by 6 is a constant. 3t, derivative of 3t is 3. Minus 4, minus derivative of 4 is 0. You don't need to write that. So 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 times, this is 1 by 2. Okay, times dt by dx. That is 60. Dx by dt is 60. What is dt by dx? 1 by 60. So this one 1 by 2. So 1 by 12t. That is the answer. Okay, second problem. Finish the second problem. Third one. X is equal to half t square plus 2. Y equals sine t plus 1. Sine t plus 1. This is the angle. Okay. Sine t plus 1. That is one function. Okay. Find dx by dt. Half into half is a constant. Derivative of t square is 2t. 2t. Plus derivative of 2 is 0. So the answer dx by dt is t. Just t. Okay. dy by dt is what? What is the derivative of sine u? Derivative of sine u is cos u. Here, cos t plus 1. Whatever it is, you need to write that. Okay. Then differentiate t plus 1. That is by chain rule, differentiate t plus 1. Derivative of t plus 1 is 1 plus 0. You don't need to write that. Right? Just leave it. So dy by dx equals dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt is cos t plus 1 divided by dx by dt is t. So this is dy by dx. Then d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square equals d by dx of dy by dx. But dy by dx is in terms of t. You cannot differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to t times dt by dx. That is the formula. So with respect to t, differentiate this one with respect to, there are here quotient rule. You need to apply the quotient rule. D by dx of u by v. This is the formula. V into denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. So d by dt of this one, t into v here t, denominator is t into derivative of the numerator, derivative of cos t plus 1 is minus, I write minus first, okay, minus sine t plus 1. See, v into derivative of u, finished, minus u into derivative of v. U is cos t plus 1. Derivative of t is 1, you don't need to write that, divided by t square, v square, t square. Okay, times dt by dx. What is dt by dx? Dx by dt is t. Dt by dx is 1 by t. So t square into t cube. So the answer is, final answer is, you cannot simplify this. Minus sine t plus 1 minus cos t plus 1 divided by t cube. That is the answer. Okay. Fourth one. Fourth one. x is equal to e raised to minus t, y is equal to t cube plus t plus 1. Okay. What is the derivative of x? Dx by, what is the derivative of e raised to minus t? Dx by dt equals e raised to minus t. What is the derivative of e raised to u? E raised to u. Then apply the chain rule. Okay. E raised to minus t itself times derivative of minus t is minus 1 times minus 1. Here dy by dt equals derivative of t cube is 3t square plus derivative of t is 1. Okay. Then dy by dx equals 3t square plus 1 divided by minus e raised to minus t. Okay. That is dy by dx. Then d square by dx square equals d by dx of dy by dx. You cannot differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to t first, then dt by dx, right? Okay. With respect to t, quotient rule again. D by dx of u by v is v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. That is the formula. Here, first v, that is minus e raised to minus t. Okay. Derivative of 3t square plus 1 is 6t minus, right? U is 3t square plus 1. There are two terms you need to put bracket. 3t square plus 1 bracket. Then derivative of minus e raised to minus t. That is minus e raised to minus t times, what is the derivative of minus t? Minus 1. Minus becomes plus. Okay. So divided by minus e raised to minus t square. See, minus e raised to minus t square means minus e raised to minus t times minus e raised to minus t. Minus becomes plus. E raised to minus 2t. Okay. E raised to minus 2t times dt by dx. What is dt by dx? Dx by dt is minus. What is dt by dt? Just take the multiplicative inverse. 1 by minus e raised to minus t. Okay. So here I am going to multiply this minus or divide this minus with minus becomes plus. Okay. Okay. I am going to convert that to plus. So there is no minus here. Okay. What is e raised to minus 2t times e raised to minus 2t? What is a raised to x times a raised to base are same? Then you need to add the exponents, that is a raised to x plus y. That is the formula. Okay. Here minus e raised to minus 2t times e raised to minus 2 is minus t is e raised to minus 2t plus minus t is minus 3t. Okay. That is the final answer. I am going to write 6 first, 6t first, 6t e raised to minus t, then what is minus yeah, that is plus. Okay, that is e raised to plus e raised to minus t times 3t square plus 1 divided by this is t divided by e raised to minus 3t. That is the answer. You don't need to simplify this. Okay, you can simplify that. Take out e raised to minus t as a common factor, then you can simplify a little more. Okay, just leave it like that. Next one, fifth one, the last one. X is equal to 3t square plus 4t. Y is equal to sine 2t. Dx by dt equals, what is the derivative of 3t square? 6t. Okay, plus what is the derivative of 4t? 4t means, what is the power of t? T raised to 1. 1 into t raised to 1 minus 1, 0. This one is 1. Okay, 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, here dy by dt equals derivative of sine 2t is cos 2t into chain rule. Derivative of 2t is 2. I write first 2 first. Okay, here dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, so what is dy by dt? 2 cos 2t divided by 60 plus 4. Okay, that is dy by dx. D square y by dx square is what? D by dx of dy by dx, that is d by dt of dt by dx, right? So what is the derivative of this one with respect to t? 60 plus 4. There are 4 terms, put the bracket. V into derivative of u. What is the derivative of cos 2 cos 2t times minus cos 2t is derivative of cos 2 is minus 2 minus sine 2t into 2. Derivative of 2t is 2. So minus 2 sine 2t times 2, right? Then minus, the formula there is a minus. Then numerator 2 cos 2t. This is the formula, v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. Okay, 2 cos 2t into derivative of 60 plus 4 is 6, just 6, divided by 60 derivative, sorry, 60 plus 4 the whole square, 60 plus 4 the whole square. Then dt by dx. What is dt by dx? Dx by dt is 60 plus 4. Dt by dx is 1 by 60 plus 4. So this one becomes 60 plus 4 the whole square times 60 plus 1 the whole raised 1 is 60 plus 1, 60 plus 4 the whole cube. So I am going to write minus first, minus 2 cos sine, sorry, minus 2 sine 2t, minus 2 into 2, minus 4, okay, minus 4, 2 into 2, 4, minus 4 sine 2t, bracket 60 plus 4, then minus 6 into 2 cos 2t, 6 into 2, 12, I am going to write 12, 12, 6 cos 2t divided by 60 plus 4 the whole cube. This one is square, this one is raised to 1, add the powers, base are same, so add the power or the index, then you get the answer, right? So this is the answer, second derivative. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.